Yeah. So we got our build right here, trophy truck with a jet engine on the back, ready to go. No problem. So now we have made the pit stop. Now we just have to add some accessories. First up, I got in stock right now. I have built this. You might have seen it on my last video. The what's it called? The Shelby Mustang. I've added an engine. You can't really see, but there is new seats in there. I got some glue and glued some material to the seats. Some of you guys are going to be commenting, is that a band-aid on the seats right there? Well, kind of. It's the same material, but it's not exactly a band-aid. But I was working on this, a lot, so please sub. Okay, this is the chosen car. So, little American Rally or big monster truck. Pick one. We're going to upgrade the wheels. We have had to pick this one. So, transition. Oh no, what happened? It's only the big front wheels. Let's do the back ones now. Oh, it happened. It worked. Let's see the steering test. Can it steer? Nope. Oop. Can't steer. We're gonna have to take off these now. Sorry. Oh, wow. It happened. You can turn now, guys. It's not Formula One. It's Formula One. Okay, that was a bad pun. Let's do one more small upgrade on this. Let's give it a gun right here. Whoop. Let's give it a gun right here. Whoa, what just happened? That was so cool. Damn. Well, now I don't think you want to be coming near this bad boy. Let's give it one more test. How fast can it go? I heard a meow. I guess it worked. So, we got a big off-roading McLaren now. Let's move on to the next one. Now let's move on to my favorite one. My Shelby. Okay. Here we go. This is going to be the first round. No upgrades, nothing. Well, yeah, the only upgrades there is this nice V10 engine. Okay. Maybe not V10, but I don't know what this engine is. Custom engine that made by me / the Dumbo. And 4 pipes. And I made this plate here, put the number plate and another symbol on that nice grey plate to keep the headlights or tail lights up, so we don't have to worry about them flailing down. Here we go. Now we just need to make this thing go. And by the way, we're going to leave the other parts of the other cars that were taken off there. So we're ready now. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! That was horrible. We're gonna get some upgrades. Got these two. Ready to upgrade. This clipped in perfectly. So now we got one more, because that's pretty lame. Come on, that's lame. Added 2 weird gadgets to the back. But now it's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, let's get rid of the passenger seat so we have less weight. Well, that's not going to affect the Lego, but I guess we'll just try it. Let's see how this goes. I don't know why, but I did that with a bit of my anger and my rage. Okay, I guess that's good. Let's just do something stupid now, right there. I have a feeling this little knob right there is gonna be useful for something, so I can do something stupid. Finally, I have made the dumb masterpiece. Let's see if we can make this go. I did add wings to it that I hope don't work, but let's see if it goes faster. Most likely not. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh crap! No! What? You got what? How did that happen? No, like honestly, my brain's hurting. You actually gotta be kidding me. No. Right now I'm so sad. My car's broken. The headlights took so long to make. Oh. I guess we're gonna fix this. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Finally, it's fixed. Don't have to worry about it. Well, let's move on to the next car now. Let's go into Lambo Hurricane. We got this one. So this is our last car we're going to be upgrading, and then we will do the final race. Okay. We got the trunk. There we go. This one, the door's open. And watch these pistons. Here we go. Here we go. What should we upgrade in this thing? I think we should just make flames and stuff coming out of this. It's gonna look really crazy. Hey, we got this normal lava, and we're gonna add 2 dumb things to it. I haven't tested adding this little motorbike yet. Well, it does this, so it is gonna be useful. It goes further than the Cobra. Well, first off, let's take this little itty bitty spoiler off. Yeah. Goodbye. And hello. Okay, just gonna get that on. Oops. Yeah. Just have a nice view of the corridor. Well, 2 seconds. Listen to me rain while I do this. Oh my gosh. Your spoiler isn't working for some reason. 2 seconds. After all my anger, I finally got this on. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, I've added the spoiler because it fell off. But I did add that little motorbike under it. Right there. So now it crab walks. So this thing, good luck winning. Like honestly. This is all it does. It only does that. Well, I guess because at the start, the motor gives it a big push start. So look, see, it's just crab walking. So at the start, it's like we're gonna be. The motorbike's probably gonna detach under it, but this spoiler, whoever's in front of him, this thing's probably gonna fall off and fly at them. Get ready for full on craziness. Okay, this is the full race. So let's get ready to go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, that was a very lame race. Oh crap. Actually, not anymore. They're just going automatically. What the? Who won? Let's see who won. Still going.
Well, maybe yours.
The McLaren won. The big off-roading McLaren won. But now the highway has been real.